Good morning, everybody. Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today, we're talking door knocking. Door knocking, one of the toughest things any salesman can do. To blindly go up to any door, knock on it, and start talking to people. It is tough. Those who are great at it make a killing. Most people will probably never knock on doors unless they absolutely have to. So to follow up with yesterday's challenge of making the most amount of calls you've ever made in a day, today I'm going to challenge you to plan for tomorrow and knock on as many doors as you've ever done. If you've never knocked on doors, here's your challenge. Start doing it. Get face to face with people and you might be pleasantly surprised. All right, list your numbers below. Let's keep each other updated. Good luck, have fun, be safe. I'll talk to you tomorrow.